Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trigger the gossip matching set task in Heartopia. Basically, you will need to craft one speaker, which is this one over here. The Zinser retro speaker, you need to craft this. I think I got it from a previous gossip task that I also triggered. I triggered it by purchasing 3 musical instruments from Annie, but it may not work for everybody. But that's how I personally triggered it, and I found that other people triggered it by purchasing it as well. But I think you're supposed to purchase it when you're like a higher level. I don't know which level it is. I think I triggered it when I was level 28, 29. So, yeah, you're just going to craft the speaker. You'll get the recipe in your mail. It's going to look somewhat like this, the Zinser Retro speaker. And then you're going to trigger the task. Then you're just going to see on the map, and you'll see that there is the task icon next to Bob's name. It will say you've triggered the quest. Unfortunately, I didn't record it because I wasn't recording, and I was like, "Hey, let's randomly craft the speaker," and it just triggered this task randomly. I wish there was a guide to all of the gossip tasks, but there isn't any. Not that I know of. Maybe there is, but I haven't seen any around. So let's go to Bob here. And so let's go to Bob here and let's just talk to him. It says gossip matching set. Leave it to me. Okay. Oh, we need to submit the speaker. So I do need to get it for my house. Okay, now I am going to submit the speaker to Bob here. This one, submit. Okay, so I think you just get paint dyes, but I don't know, maybe tomorrow I'll get something because that's what happened to me in the last gossip quest. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!